Hello, I'm Chef Nicolas, and it is my great pleasure to be here today to talk to you about our exciting upcoming Boulangerie program at Le Cordon Bleu Ottawa. There's been a lot of excitement among us to develop and to put in place that program, and we really wanted to share with you what an exciting opportunity it could be for you. The Boulangerie program is a one-of-a-kind in North America. It has been designed in a very comprehensive and progressive way in order for you to take advantage, whether you are a baking enthusiast, whether you seek a professional career, this program is for you. From sweet application to the most advanced lamination technique, and savories and nutritional baking will also be taught during the program. The structure of the program is very unique in a way that there's a lot of hands-on practice. It's only workshop format. Everything takes place in the kitchen with the chef. There are going to be some lectures in order for you to learn the theory behind it. And everything that relates to yeast fermentation and to baking will be taught during the Boulangerie program. We're very excited to have our kitchen fitting with the most advanced state-of-the-art equipment, including a custom-made oven from France. The Boulangerie program, even though it includes some pastry and some savory elements, is altogether quite different from our pastry and cuisine program and can be very complementary. The Boulangerie program at Le Cordon Bleu Ottawa is accredited and therefore will grant you with a baking certificate at the end of completion should you want to pursue a professional career in baking. And it will give you the basic fundamental knowledge if you're just a baking enthusiast who seeks to improve their baking skills at home. So during the program, you're not just going to learn bread, but a lot of different products that are going to range from regional specialties to nutritional baking. There are going to be regional specialties such as the cannelé bordelais, some very advanced laminated bicolor croissant technique, and all the very fancy products that you can see nowadays on social media will be taught. Please come and visit us or visit our website or social media for more information about this very exciting upcoming program.